Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x power x is equals to 7 power 7 power 7 by 7 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. Now my first step is I am going to multiply with 7 power x both sides. So we can eliminate this. So 7 power x times x power x is equals to 7 power 7 power 7. Now according to exponent rule, we can write this as 7x whole power x is equals to 7 power 7 power 7. Now my next step is I'm going to multiply with power 7 both sides. According to exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So I'm going to apply this rule here. 7 power x power 7x is equals to 7 power 7 and whole power 7 power 7. Now if I'm comparing both sides, so the value of 7x is equals to 7 power 7. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 7. So we can eliminate this. So x is equals to 7 power 7 by 7 power 1. Now according to exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write this as x power m minus n. So x is equals to 7 power 7 minus 1. X is equals to 7 power 6. And the value of 7 power 6 is 117,649. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.